Good afternoon, Mustangs. I'm Tahira.
And I'm Addie. Starting off episode, we will have weather, guess the teacher, star history, and Squirrels of Austin.
Following that, we'll see an update on HEB, Full House intro, Mandela effect, guess the state, and unpopular opinions.
And to end off the episode, there will be a water, temperature, and science update.
Teachers then and now.
And now for the weather.
Good morning, I'm Henry, and today we're going to see a high of 79 and a low of 49. Today will be the only day of the week which we should see some rain, but coming in around the later hours near 6 and 7. Anyways, we're going to see highs eventually go warm up as we're going to feel more like spring to the 80s and 70s for all of next week. But the lows will bounce around from the 40s to the 50s and then the 60s. In other news, we have a long line of severe thunderstorms that will hit us today, as I mentioned previously, but also are out near Dallas and stretch all the way to Tennessee. Those will produce hail, flooding, and tornadoes. So, I like weather.
Can you guess this teacher?
No.
Well, I couldn't either.
Which colonial region's economy was based on plantation farming?
Southern. What?
Southern.
Oh yeah, southern. The southern?
Yeah.
George Washington. I forgot the second one.
George Washington,
Abraham Lincoln.
John Adams, Thomas Jefferson.
Barack Obama.
Who's the fourth? Wait, who's the fourth? Oh, John Quincy Adams.
Kanye West.
And then Andrew Jackson.
George Washington, John Adams, Thomas Jefferson, James Madison, and what was the last one? Andrew Jackson.
Number 1, George Washington. Number 2, John Adams. Number 3, Thomas Jefferson. Number 4, James Madison. Number 5, James Monroe.
What are the 5 parts of the First Amendment?
Freedom of speech, freedom of religion, freedom of gathering, assembly, and freedom of writing in the press.
Yeah.
That's weird. I remember Curious George having a tail.
No, he never did.
Really? I could have sworn he did.
That's called the Mandela effect. It's where a mass group of people remember something as one thing, but it was really different.
Wow.
Okay, which one is the right one?
Oh, it's that one.
Nope.
What?
Which logo's the right one?
Both of them.
No.
This one.
No.
This one.
No.
Both of them.
No.
No, I was just holding the door because the door.
That
one?
Wait,
No, that one. My bad.
You're wrong.
What?
You were right the first. Which logo is the right one?
This one.
Good job.
This one.
What?
This one.
You're wrong?
That one.
Good job.
That one.
You're wrong.
What? No, I'm not. I am?
Yeah.
I thought it was. This one.
Good job.
This one. I love Fruit Loops.
Good job.
I have an unpopular opinion.
What is it?
Mustang news is terrible. I hate it. It's awful.
Good morning, O'Henry, and today we're going to ask some people some unpopular opinions.
An example would be math class is fun if you know what you're doing, which it's not.
Vegan cheese isn't that bad as long as you're getting the right brand.
Crackers is better than pizza.
Sushi is better than pizza.
Vanilla ice cream is the best ice cream.
Teslas are mid.
Legos are overrated.
I like math class and I don't like chocolate.
Okay, I don't like cheese on my pizza. I don't know. The texture, just can't swallow it.
This water's warm. Do you know where I can find the coldest water in the school?
No, but let's find out.
The girls' locker room one.
The band room.
The one outside of the cafeteria.
The one right outside of the cafeteria.
Near the band hall.
$600.
I think Nurse Becky's water is the coldest.
300 hallway. You can't do that because I'm literally acting like a bitch in that because